Have you ever wanted to message someone on WhatsApp without going through the hassle of saving their number? Whether it's a one-time conversation, a business inquiry, or just convenience, I've got you covered. Whatever your reason, WhatsApp has a few ways to make this happen. Open the WhatsApp app on your device. Tap on the Chat tab on your Android or iPhone device. Tap on the button to create a new message. On Android, tap on the button from the bottom right, and on iPhone, tap on the plus icon from the top right. You will see a list of your contacts. On the search bar, write the number you want to start the conversation. You will see that WhatsApp will search their database and see if the number has a WhatsApp account. If the person does not have an account, you will see on the right of the number the text, invite. If you see chat like I see now, you can start a conversation with that person. Tap on chat. You will be able to start a conversation with that person without adding it to the contacts on your phone. And that's how you can send WhatsApp messages without saving the number. I hope this tutorial made your life a little easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell for more handy tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.